Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you technical analysis. MCRT pullback. Yesterday there was a heavy seller pulling it down. I'm going to be buying more of it. You have to do your own due diligence. It's not financial information. Consult with your brokers, financial professionals. MCRT, I was the seed investor of this project, so keep this in mind. I'm also going to be jumping into the charts for the Nasdaq because it is pumping, and that's where I've actually, if you've been following my videos for the last 6 months of this year, that's where we've actually made the most gains. On Tesla, Google, Facebook, up hundreds of percents, which is beautiful. Bitcoin, we bought towards the bottom, sold at 30k, so that's good. We sold at the top at 69k and before it came down, and then traded along the way. But this year so far, it's been mainly the tech stocks. Crypto has just been going down slowly, except for the big Bitcoin pump, which we caught, which is beautiful. Now we're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and total market cap. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in and look at, sorry, there's a lot of storm coming. We're getting some pump on the altcoins, which is interesting after this Bitcoin drop. IDEX up 7%. The alts that pump, IOTA 3%, MCRT today 2%, but had a huge drop yesterday. SUI 0.5%, Tesla up yesterday, up in pre-market, Google up 0.4% in pre-market, which is beautiful. You got to remember, we were buying Tesla at $100 just a few months ago, so now it's 200. It's up from $100 to $258. That's 158%, or so, I'm not sure exactly. Google also up like 40% from the bottom. We were buying it at $80, and now it's $85, and now it's $137, which is beautiful. Meta made us the most gains, actually, in percentage base. Meta we bought, Meta is up. It was up 270%, but now it's up 250% since the start of the year. Bitcoin also had that about 100% pump from the bottom as well. Bitcoin pumped and then dropped, and I think it would have activated the trade, or it came close to activating the trade. The short was at 28,000. I still think that this is going to happen. This Elliott wave count, if you've been following my videos, I predicted the Elliott wave count up. I predicted the drop, and now I still foresee this drop to 20k. So entering right now is difficult, because if there's a 5k drop on Bitcoin, alts and shit will get murdered. That's the problem. But at the same time, it's quite oversold at the bottom of the bear market when no one's talking about crypto. So I don't want to short too much. But if Bitcoin drops, so what I'm doing is I'm accumulating. So what I'm doing down here is I'm on Bybit, I'm accumulating. So I've got 302,000 in this account. It was down a lot yesterday, like 7k or something. But what I'm doing, I've got 131k cash. So I'm like almost 50% cash. And in the other accounts, there's 50k, etc. So what I'm doing is I'm buying as it comes down. So Doge, I'm going to be buying as it comes down, and Doge, I'm going to buy another 2k. I'm just DCAing into them. Doge could at any moment, if Elon Musk announced something with Doge and Twitter, Doge can pump. But the problem is it'll just fade the pump after anyway. MCRT dropped yesterday. I'll buy $1,000 of this, but again, you have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers. I am a seed investor, so I have a lot of tokens of this already. I don't sell any of my tokens. I haven't sold any of my own tokens. Uniswap down 6%. I'm going to accumulate. Beautiful. These are the projects I want to have a lot of going into the bull market. Bitcoin also can start down 4%. Whenever it's down a lot, I accumulate. But still, keep in mind that I expect Bitcoin to come down to 25k. Also, I want to go long on Bitcoin from that support. No, short. Okay, so I want to set a big long on Bitcoin at 20k. If it comes down that far, I want to have an order that triggers. So let's do like $100,000 trade at 20,000. Take profit. We catch the bounce back up, 69k. Let's see what this, just to curiously. And stop loss, I would say keep the stop loss tight, 19k. If it breaks 20, then it can come down to 16. So the risk to reward, my orders are filling. The risk to reward is risking $5,000 to make $245,000. Beautiful. Confirm. Open long. It's $5,000 margin. $100,000 trade. Yeah, let's do it. At 20k, I'll buy 5 Bitcoin. So that order is now set there. So it's $100,000 order, which is beautiful with 20x leverage. Awesome. and then I'm just DCAing down as the rest of the market pulls back. Let's go into the Nasdaq and tech stocks, because that's where we're making the most gains, which has been playing perfectly, following my trajectory, the 1 2 3 4 5 Elliott wave, and then we're going to have the ABC correction, unfortunately. But the 4th to 5th wave could go further, but I am anticipating that we're going to double top at 16. It's slight possibility we double top at 16k on the Nasdaq, but I think we're going to double top up here or even make a higher low. It depends on what happens over the next few days, but I think double top at 14,470. So that's when I'm going to I think the 4th to 5th wave is going to be smaller, because usually it's smaller than the 2nd to 3rd wave. It's not as big as the 2nd to 3rd wave on the Elliott wave count. It's smaller. You can learn all this in my courses and stuff. I didn't cover Elliott waves, I think, in one of the courses. I'll make a course on Elliott wave counts, but you can just Google it and learn it yourself also. And then ABC correction after that, coming back down to 12k. But let's see, because these are just counts, they're indicators, but we use all other indicators. The only thing that I am seeing is the total market cap of cryptos. The problem of the total market cap of cryptos is the volume isn't high anymore. You can see the volume has been declining since the bull market. The volume has been going, like, we had some pumps in 2022, but it's been going down. This is the total market cap of all cryptos. I think it goes quiet into the next bull run, into the next halvening. But let's see. And it broke this 1 year trend line, and then it got rejected. It did a hammer, and then it got rejected off the trend line. Okay, that's a lot of information. Everything you saw here, you can learn. One, take the courses, jamescryptoguru.com. Take all the courses. There'll be the Laws of Money course coming to understand what I'm doing and learn my 23 years of investing experience. Trade on Bybit. That's the second biggest exchange. That's the one I trade on because they compete, so they have to be better, and they're safer. I know the CEO. I know it's the exchange that I use based in Singapore. And join on Telegram to trade. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.